ABN Dent Puller Suction Cup, 2 inches, small dents remover for pulling automotive car hail and door ding damage. Great for dent pulling, the ABN Car Dent Remover Kit Dent Suction Cup is great for pulling dents from metal and plastic auto bodies. These 2-inch dent pullers included in this car dent repair kit allow you to lift items up to 10 pounds and to work on small and large dings or dents. Always confirm the suction is firm to the item before lifting. Cold environments may affect the suction ability. Reuse for variety of applications. While this heavy-duty suction cup dent puller is designed to be used as a paintless dent remover tool, it is also ideal for moving flat objects in any home garage or body shop. Compatible with plate and windshield glass, sheet metal, and plastic paneling. This paintless dent removal kit allows you to lift and move delicate slabs of heavy materials while putting less strain on your body. Strong lifting capacity. The 2-inch, 5 cm mini suction dent lifter car dent remover tool is designed to get into tight spaces and to work with smaller dents. Use the Dent Puller Kit car dent repair device to lift materials up to 10 pounds, 4.5 kilograms. Safe for your vehicle. Constructed of heavy-duty rubber and ABS plastic, this car dent puller suction cup car dent fixer is designed to lift and pull various materials gently to avoid scratching the material. Made with durable odorless, extra-strength rubber, these dent repair tools provide a tight seal to most flat, non-porous surfaces with a single stroke. Easy to use. Prior to use, clean the area and wet the car suction cup tool to improve contact. Place the black suction cup to a flat section of the item and press the lever handle together to create a vacuum that will lock the suction cup to the material. To remove, move the locking levers to their original position. Click the link in the description to get this product.